We are students in UTAR and we are studying Applied e-commerce, and we will do the presentation about the digital transformation in retail industry. So this is the table content. We will talk about what is digital transformation, retail industry in Malaysia, example of digital transformation in retail industry, advantages of digital transformation in retail industry, and a problem faces by a retail industry in a digital transformation. So, what is digital transformation? Digital transformation is the process of using digital technologies to transform existing traditional and non-digital business processes and services, or creating new ones to meet the evolving market and customers' expectations. Also, completely altering the way businesses are managed and operated and how value is delivered to customers. So, digital transformation is all about becoming a digital enterprise, an organization that uses technologies to continuously evolve all aspects of its business models. So, for example, what it offers, how it interacts with customers, and how it operates. As technology evolves, so should your business. So at this point, it is not about the enterprises choosing the transformation. It is more about deciding how to transform. So the digital transformation is about evolving your business by experimenting with new technology and rethinking your current approach to common issues, because it is an evolution. So a transformation does not necessarily have a clear endpoint. So for the enterprises, that means continually seeking out ways to improve the end user experience. This could be through offering the improve on demand training, migrating data to cloud services, leveraging artificial intelligence, and so on. Next, I will talk about the 3 key areas of enterprise digital transformation. So, the first one is customer experience. We work to understand customers in more detail, using the technology to fuel customer growth and creating the more customers touch points. The second one is operational processes. It is improving the internal processes by leveraging the digitalization and automation, enabling employees with digital tools and collecting data to monitor the performance and make more strategic business decisions. And lastly, it is the business models. So it is the transforming the business by augmenting physical offerings with the digital tools and services, introducing the digital products and using the technology to provide the global shared services. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Now I will introduce the retail industry in Malaysia. And what is retail industry? Retail industry is wholesalers is involving selling the business or institution. Retail involves selling goods and services to people. A retailer buys product in bulk for manufacture either directly or through a wholesaler, and then sells them to the customer in small quantities for a profit. The final link in the supply chain between producer and customer is the retailer. The next is ancient history. And over the centuries, the retailer shop were transformed for little more than ruder both to the sophisticated shopping mall of the modern era. In the digital age, an increasing number of retailers are seeking to reach broader markets by selling through multiple chains, including both brick and mortar and online retailing. Digital technologies are also affecting affecting the way that consumers pay for goods and service. Detailing support service may also include the provisions of credit delivery service, advisory service, stylist service, and range of other supporting service. And the next is the strategy level decisions. The retailer create the retail mix with consists of the following elemental elements: products, price, site, promotions, personnel, and presentations. Once the strategy retail plan is in place, and this is the example of retail industry in Malaysia. They have Lotus, H&M, IKEA, Uniqlo, 7-Eleven, Lazada, Control On, Adidas. And the last is, I will introduce some of the example. The example is Lotus. And the famous retail industry in Malaysia is Tesco, now named Lotus. Lotus is the Malaysia bigger retail industry. There are more than 2.2k types of job under Lotus. The employees for them had over 10k. Under them, there are many service and jobs. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Saishan. So now I'm going to present about example of digital transformation in retail industry. So the first example of digital transformation in retail industry is cloud for scalable, agile, and enhanced IT infrastructure and data processing. Cloud computing offers retail enterprise sustainable and flexible growth. With a hybrid or multi-cloud solution, retailers can put in place a rapidly scalable IT infrastructure that responds to their business needs and in real time. AI-based cloud computing also enhances data storage and processing tasks, enabling retailers to deliver personalized customer experience, build customer relationship, and streamline and optimize business operation. The second example of digital transformation in retail industry is augmented reality, which is AR. AR aims to solve the problem of delivering contactless trials. The user stands in front of a smartphone camera and Snapchat AR engine renders the product to the user. This allows them to see how a product looks on them before making a purchase. Next, virtual reality, which is VR, is one of the examples also. VR is an immersive technology that allows a user to experience an alternative reality virtually. Consumer can visit through the virtual mall and look at the product and make a purchase, all from the comfort of their home using the VR goggles. Lastly, unmanned retail stores for quick and contactless shopping are one of the examples of digital transformation. Also, in-store camera track the user as they move around the store and use the QR scanner to scan items being picked from a shelf. Once the user is done shopping, they simply walk out and the total amount is automatically deducted through approved payment methods.
Good day, sir or madam. My name is Lo Kai-yang. Now let me talk about the advantage of digital transformation in the retail industry. First is the enhanced customer experience. Digital tool can improve employee productivity and make service faster and more efficient. As a result, consumers will receive higher quality service and their shopping trips will be more enjoyable. In addition, they will make it easier for customers to shop from retail business owners more seamlessly. In addition to patronizing physical stores, customers can use a variety of other channels such as websites, mobile apps, and social media to shop. Second is the automated processes. Automation has begun to play an essential role in the retail sector. It significantly reduces the workforce and help to complete tasks in a shorter time frame. In addition, it ensures that most jobs are performed without any human error. Some of the automated activity in retail include supply chains and inventory management. Automation also helps customers to perform self-checkout, thus reducing the requirement for store cashier. The third is the built-on-zero connection. Retailers can easily communicate with customers using a variety of contact channels, from websites and social media accounts to mobile apps and chatbots. This channel open new engagement opportunity, increase customer loyalty, share promotions, and inspire customers as they move through sales channels. Not only that, but thanks to tools powered by artificial intelligence, customers can shop in a whole new way. For example, follow the product recommendations of an AI chatbot. The automation of internet process enhance the employee and customer experience.
I'm Xuan. I will present the problems faced by the retail industry in digital transformation. First, supply chain management. As the increased customer expectation on one who will skill the delivery times. If the supply chain cannot meet the demand, the company may feel behind the competition. Also, the problem of delays, proper product stockade and warehouse maintenance into a common long-term supply chain disruptions. Next, in management security. Every transaction is in the retail industry exposed the platform to the risk of information theft. According to research, 30% of the retailers lose GA2 to cyber attacks, followed by retreating packet. Retailer digital transformation efforts strict budget. Plan implementation requires transformation management in the GA2. To rate the benefit of digital transformation, retailer needs to look for comprehensive implementation. The last problem faced by retail industry in digital transformation is achieving customer satisfaction. As e-commerce and omnichannel shopping increase, the customer expectation rise. Consequently, in customer shopping experience is wider. Retailer must interact with the customer who understand journey and experience to meet customer expectation and having a loyal consumer. Thank you. That's all for my part.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.